Did you know that one pharaoh tried to erase himself from history? Akhenaten ruled ancient Egypt over 3,000 years ago. He did something no pharaoh had ever dared before. He threw out all the old gods that Egyptians had worshipped for centuries. Instead, he said there was only one god, the sun disk called Aten. He even changed his own name from Amenhotep to Akhenaten, meaning servant of Aten. The priests were furious. The people were confused. Akhenaten moved the entire capital city to a brand new place in the desert. He built massive temples with no roofs so the sun could shine directly inside. His art looked completely different too, showing him with a long face and big belly instead of the perfect godlike pharaohs before him. But when Akhenaten died, everything fell apart. His son Tutankhamun brought back all the old gods. They smashed Akhenaten's statues, tore down his temples, and scratched his name off every monument. They wanted him forgotten forever. Ironically, this made him one of history's most mysterious pharaohs.